Our Ford Escape, we put some Freon and dye in this a couple of weeks ago. Customer now says it is not blowing cold air again. I can see, it's going to be really hard to see. Not really going to be able to tell. If you look real close, like right in the middle of the screen, you can see a dark spot on the condenser. See the same thing on the front half, not so much, but the back half, yes. So that dark spot, let's see if I can get a good picture in there. Anyways, that dark spot is where the Freon is coming out. So that is where our AC leak is going to be at on this, because no other point. They like leaking right here most of the time on those type of connections. But we got no dye or anything like that. That is the only wet spot that I see. So we're going to work up a AC condenser quote for this customer and see if he wants to do it. But that is our AC diagnostic of the day.